Greetings, Earthlings. Here's quiz 3-3, last quiz of the chapter 3. Now we want to write the equation of a line that's parallel with this line here. So here's a line. We're going to write another equation, y equals something x plus b, okay? But it's parallel with this. Now remember, parallel lines have the same slope. All right, so there's your m right there, the -2. Here's an x and a y. They're going through that point. So what we want to do, remember, is go y equals mx plus b. And we want to plug in what we have. So y is 1, m is -2 times x, which is 1, plus b. And continue solving for b. So your m, since they're parallel, you already know what he is. You've already got this m already. When you solve for b, put that there. This exact same holds true for number 2 as well. Okay, because again, we're dealing with parallel lines. So I would just label, though, my x, my y, and there's my m, and plug them in like we did in number 1. In number 3 and 4, but pretty much the same thing. The only difference is, remember, they're perpendicular. Okay, so we're going to take this guy's slope. Okay, he's 4/1. And remember, we have to flip it upside down and change the sign. So change the sign. If it's positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. Okay, so when you get that new, when you change the slope, okay, when you finish changing that, that goes here, and then plug it in. Now you just plug everything into y equals mx plus b, like we were doing on questions 1 and 2. Okay, you've got your y, you figured out the new m, you got your x, work this all out, solve for b. Now you have the equation of the new line. Okay, so that's what you're doing on question 3 and 4. So there's your x, there's your y. Take that slope, he's a -6/1, and change it, because we're dealing with perpendicular lines. So we can see here, number 5 wants to know, determine which lines are parallel, if any. So looking at these right angles especially, who's parallel? Okay, or is it none of them? Okay, if you don't have enough information, then it's none. And the same holds true for number 6, actually. Could A and B be parallel, or C and D? Remember, you got to have plenty of information. Okay, so use the information that's given here. Do you have enough to determine if any of these guys are parallel or not? If not, put C. Okay, that's the end of this quiz. You'll be ready to take the chapter test. If you have questions, make sure you ask Mr. Husted. Have a great day.